Hey there, my name is Jarrett Tackett, and I am the owner of ThoughtSpace Designs. We are a marketing and branding company located in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And I am just talking to you today because I wanted to introduce our new video series that I'm going to be working on over the next couple of weeks, months, however long. I've been really bad about honestly blogging and marketing and doing all of these other things whenever it comes to our own business because honestly I've been so busy with everything, with work, with life, and everything else that I've been finding it really hard to keep our blog up to date. So my intention with our blog was always to provide those little tips and tricks and insights to help our customers, learn and grow and expand their marketing knowledge, because ultimately marketing your business is something that you need to take a very large hand in. And I found myself without a lot of time to put out that necessary content. So I'm trying to start a video series because this will provide me with a much faster way of getting that content out to you, and it will allow me to provide marketing tips, branding tips, whatever it may be, little bits of feedback here and there to help you stay on top of what's current and also make sure that you're putting your utmost efforts into growing your business to the next level. So make sure to check back every now and then, keep an eye on your Facebook or whatever for these videos as they come in, and hopefully every now and then you will give one or two of them a watch and you might learn something. So anyway, thanks.